Hi guys, Bruce here. Well, this is a sweetheart. They have a family farm, and to this day there's still no AC at the family farm. And he built a big shop down there, like we're talking, oh I don't know, 3,000 square feet. So he used this generator when he spent more time down there to light the shop and also to do some camping and stuff. But then everybody's trailers got a little more sophisticated, and they have, you know, they might have a solar thing at the top, or you know, they got a little generator of their own, and he didn't use it as much. But now his son's getting married and they're going to have a party down there, and this has been sitting in his shop and has not run for at least 15 years. He figures it's a 1991 or 92 is when he built his shop. Cool, huh? So let's just have a look at this beautiful thing. I can't find an identifier date on it. If I will, I'll let you know. So obviously air intake, right, muffler. And there's the little carburetor right back in there with the tube. And it looks like it's got a shutoff like a tractor, eh? Right there, do you see that on the bottom of the carburetor? Right there. I don't know how many cc's this is. Nice little control panel, nothing fancy. It's got the idle, auto idle. Well, Honda were the first ones to come up with that. It's a 3,500 watt. I'm just going to take a slow walk around this guy. There's the output panel right there. Oh, and it does have DC control. He wasn't sure whether it did. It's belt drive. Can you believe it? And the belt, if you reach in behind here, watch your fingers, Bruce, it's a belt like on a car for a timing belt. So that thing's not going to be needing replaced. I will have a look at it. And we're all going to look at this thing together, right? Here's the fuse for the 115 volts. Pretty hefty engine on it. So the first thing we got to do now is see what the fuel there is. I did have a little sniff, and it smells like there's fuel in the tank. Oh no! But luckily the gas has been shut off, eh? I'm all ready for you. I know, it's not like me to be ready, right? I usually run around like a chicken with my head cut off. Let's have a look at the fuel, if there's enough even here to have a look at. Oh yeah. Now there won't be ethanol in this fuel, because the last time he used it, we didn't have ethanol in our gases, eh? So the first thing we're going to do, this looks like you've been running the 10K race without a drink. It's almost an oil. So any of you Honda aficionados out there, if you can pinpoint a year, I'd be thrilled. And the tank is perfect. Okay? Ooh, it's got some weight to it. This is no lawnmower. We pulled it out of his truck and we put it straight onto my little lift cart here. So we wouldn't have to lift it. It'd take 3 men and a small boy to lift this thing. So, we're gonna... Gas is turned off, so we're not gonna be doing anything too evil. Oh, okay. This all looks reusable. I might just take the foam off. Yeah, the foam is starting to burn, eh? So, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Oh, we need something to indicate electricity. Plug this in. We'll hang that from there. Now let's see, what have we got? AC volts. we might as well turn them all on, right? Switch. We don't have to turn on the automatic idle portion. Okay, are we ready to test this? Oh, I did check the oil, it has oil. Okay, let's go. Now, so what we're looking for now is for that trouble light right there. Right, is that it? Yep, that trouble light to come on. Okay. Well, that's the best news I've had all day. Moving forward, let's make it run for a little while.